My name is Tregret and I am Bedroom Blueprint. Bedroom Blueprint is a space where I can create the music that I want to create. And it is an opportunity for me to share with people the sounds and the notes and the chords and the rhythms that I feel like is exactly what I want it to be. So Bedroom Blueprint actually started when I was in year 11 and I was doing a music assignment, and they asked us to create a music piece, and yeah, I just fell in love with the process of creating music and recording music, doing it all myself. Bedroom Blueprint has definitely evolved within the past few years. It's become a really safe space for me to go where I can just be playing my guitar or singing, and that's all that matters. All the singers that are singing with me, Kat as well, we all sang together in the vocal group.
It's really great to do something you love with someone who loves it as much as you and bring that passion to it. There's no one I really know who's as passionate about their music as Bedroom Blueprint.
Being able to do this all together with Bedroom Blueprint is just like another version of what we love so much. So that's what I've been trying to do with Bedroom Blueprint, is not trying to make it like anything else but what I'd want it to be, so then it can be a part of me.